Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canva for SEO thumbnail optimization step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, select the sign up button at the top right corner of the page. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in thumbnail to find relevant templates. Browse through the available templates designed specifically for video thumbnails. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the design editor. Here, you can customize the text, images, and colors to match your branding. Consider using keywords relevant to your video's content for better SEO. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail design, click the download button in the top right corner. Select the file type, typically PNG or JPG, for optimal quality. After the download is complete, go back to your video platform. Navigate to the section where you can upload or edit your video. Upload your newly created thumbnail. Make sure to save the changes before finishing. Your optimized thumbnail is now ready to attract viewers and enhance your video's visibility. Finally, monitor the performance of your video to evaluate the impact of your new thumbnail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.